Yes, sir.
Alright, here it is guys. Since we're talking about all-inclusive resorts, hindi mawawala pag-usapan ang food. Alright, so as you can see, we're doing the Hibachi restaurant here. Make sure you reserve here because sobrang in-demand dito. Kasi apart from my food na kasama, meron pang free show na lulutuin yung food in front of you. Just like this one na si Kuya sumablay sa pagsalo ng kanin. Pero merong third time is a charm. Diba? Proud na proud si Kuya. Oh. Eh syempre, pati ang wifey. Oh. Sumabog sa mukha niya yung kanin. Yan. By the way guys, make sure you do your reservations on your very first day para hindi nyo nabalikan at ma-stress pa sa paggawa nito. Kasi mabilis mapuno yung reservation for dinner. Kasi actually, we tried them all. Alright, every night we tried different fine dining restaurants. Just like the Japanese sushi, we did French gourmet, we did Italian. Just like this one guys, this restaurant is called El Museo. As you can see, ang ganda ng vibe, di ba? Para kang kumakain sa loob ng Vatican.
Yeah.
Yan ito, bawat fine dining restaurant, iba-ibang theme, kaya ang sarap, ang ganda ng experience. Ito naman yung French restaurant nila. So as you can see again, iba na naman yung vibe dito. So again, ang sarap-sarap ng food nila dito. Pero sa mga taong ayaw ma-stress sa pagbubook ng dinner reservation, you can also try the buffet.
Hey guys, take note. You also have a choice to eat indoor and outdoor as well. We tried both, of course, for the experience.
Yeah, so guys, ang daming variety when it comes to food here. And again, they all taste delicious. Very, very good.
Yep.
And of course, I highly suggest book nyo agad ang El Rancho. Bakit nga ba mahal?
Kasi sobrang recommended namin yung rib eye. It's very big serving too and worth it siya. Don't miss out.